view modes to calibrate vehicle behavior in Aimsun Next. Use view modes in the capacity calibration process to model bottlenecks more realistically. This highway scenario models a 3-to-2 lane reduction. For a better overview, use the Polyline and Text tools to sketch the distances upstream from the bottleneck. Next, label the upstream sections. Visualize accelerations greater or less than 1 meter per second squared to identify major accelerations upstream from the bottleneck. To visualize longitudinal behavior, right-click on View Modes and create a new mode called Calibration, Merging. Add new view styles: Acceleration, Color, and Acceleration, Attribute. For a better overview, put the most important parameters in a text box. Turn on the View mode and study the driving behavior under various traffic flow regimes. Visualize the total number of lane changes upstream from the bottleneck. Add a section Dynamic Attribute, Total Number of Lane Changes, represented by color, color opacity, and attribute. Add a condition to limit the view mode to the sections upstream of the bottleneck. Use the same technique to add color opacity and attribute view styles to the view mode. Switch between the statistical intervals to compare outputs. Add real data sets and follow the national guidelines to validate the simulated bottleneck capacities.